Want a free disk space on Windows 11 quickly? Follow this clear step-by-step guide. Open the Start menu, type Settings, and press Enter to launch Windows Settings. In Settings, choose System, then tap Storage to view disk usage and recommendations. Enable Storage Sense by toggling it on, then click Configure Storage Sense to set preferences. Choose Frequency, decide when to delete temporary files, and set retention for Recycle Bin. Review storage recommendations, tap Items to preview, then select files you want removed safely. Next, we'll use Disk Cleanup. Open Start, type Disk Cleanup, and launch the app. Select the drive, typically C drive, then click OK to analyze reclaimable space. Click Clean up System Files to include Windows Update and System temporary files in the scan. Check categories like Windows Update Cleanup, Temporary Files, and Recycle Bin for removal. Confirm delete files and allow the tool to remove selected items. This may take a moment. All done. Check storage again to see freed space and enjoy a snappier Windows 11 experience.